severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Fort Ritchie to 13 nautical miles west of Clearwater Beach to 37 nautical miles west of Indian Rocks Beach, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Clearwater Beach, Bayport, Madeira Beach Reef, Tarpon Springs, Indian Rocks Beach, St. Pete Beach, Dunedin, Treasure Island Reef, Hernando Beach, Clearwater Pass, Fort Ritchie, Passagrille Channel, Enclosed Key, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Passagrille Reef, Arapaca, and Johns Pass. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for west central Florida and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.